Hey, hello everybody. So we're gonna get into my van right here and we're gonna check it out. I'm just gonna it's been a while since I actually showed the inside and really around the whole thing, so we're gonna pop the hood and everything and we're just gonna check it out, what I got going on right now. Nothing's really changed much since the last one, but this is for any of the new ones that have subscribed lately. Especially for this van for my camping. I hadn't been camping in a little bit, but that's because I've been doing some repairs to the van and it's almost ready. So let's jump inside and check it out. All right, let's go ahead and start her up. All we're going to do is just back her up a little bit, just give us a little bit more room. Just to look around. I'm going to pull forward, then back up. I think this will do. We'll go ahead and start her back up when I'll pop the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, but we'll go ahead and check it out in just a little bit. Actually, it's a little warm in here, so let me roll down this window. Might crack some windows back there real quick just to let some cooler air in. It's not that hot today. Okay, well, this is a 1989 Chevy G20 van. Say it's in decent shape for being 35 years old. It does have some paint issues right here. Other than that, and the grill, and that's kind of cracked right there. Needs another wash, but got the ladder back here. It does have a roof rack. I'd like to put a like a Reese hitch back here, you know, just for additional cargo area. So anyways, that is the outside. We'll check the hood out in just a little bit. And let's go inside and check it out. All right, so I'll open this up. And let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this camera so we can show you. So these doors here, you can just kind of push that right there, push that in, and then these doors will swing open like so. So on this one, you just got to let the slack off a little bit, push that, and now you can push that about that far right there. Alright, so I like to get one of those magnetic like screen curtains, you know, that when you come in and out they just kind of lock back up. Let's see, so excuse me if the inside, it's a mess. I do have, well, let's start up front real quick. This is the that's the dash, this is the front seat. Everything's original, except, you know, they convert, when they did the conversion they added all this stuff, but from that point on everything is original. This van's only had one owner. Even the radio is original. I'd like to get that one replaced though. Probably gonna take this wood and take it off and kind of resand it, maybe refinish it. This is the cigarette lighter and ashtray. I have plugged my fridge to that, my portable fridge. This is the just a little storage compartment, kind of like a glove box. It does have the original owner's manual in here, and thing for CB radio. So, and I do have the CB, the CB radio part. There we go. Right here, I got it down there, the walkie-talkie part, but I hadn't really checked to see if this worked. I mean, as far as I know, it doesn't. It does have power to it, but I really couldn't get anything out of it. These are they're like halogen lights, I want to say, and these are your switchboard for your lights in the back. So this is the front. It's a little messy. I always put my chair up here, and I got extra coolant, windshield wiper fluid, and oil up here. Got some hats. These chairs do swing around. Got some little storage compartments here on this console area. So anyways, I did have changed the windshield wiper fluids. Things I have changed in this van are the so far, just, you know, the brakes, the tire, or the wheels, the tires, I mean, the wheel bearings, the front and rear. So that's about the only things I've done so far. I'm trying to get the rear end redone. I'm still driving it, but I don't drive it, you know, long distance right now, until not until the wheel bearings replaced. I mean the rear end replaced, just in case. So I have also the window. My dad has he did it all, replace that window, or replace the motor so that window will roll up. Now this one's acting up. It does roll up and down, but it gets stuck. So the wing windows are awesome. I wish they would still put those in newer vehicles, but they work great in here. The AC, the components in there, I'll show you that in just a little bit. It doesn't work, but if I just crack open the wing windows, it just feels, I mean, even on a hot day, 100-degree day, you get enough air moving in here, it feels good. So let's move on to the back of the van. So I just took a couple steps back. This is right above the front seat area. This, I believe, was a like a videotape holder. I don't know if, I don't have any CDs to see if CDs would fit in here or not. Probably, maybe it would. But yeah, so you can I got my little koozie here. You can get this if you needed to get back here to this TV at all. I have not used this TV at all. I don't know if it works, because when I'm in this van, I would just use my tablet. I actually get a bigger screen than that right there. So just another storage compartment right there. And here, each one of these big windows has this right here, and they have lights coming up right here, and you could switch that on and off from up there. It is pretty neat. Plus I got these halogen lights right here too. Those, I just have some curtains tucked into there. I'd like to make something a little bit more permanent, something a little bit more easy, you know, for the curtains anyways. This is the rest of the van. Carpet, dirty. I did take the middle seats out and the back bed folding seat out. So what reason why I took that one out was it wasn't comfortable at all, and it forced me to sleep sideways, which I was having trouble where my pillow was up against that window and my feet were up against this window, like touching. So, and that it just wasn't comfortable. So I thought we would have more room if I just use this cot right here. And it has, because I'll put my cooler right here, put a few things. I would like to build something though, a little bit more permanent, but I may not start that until the fall when it gets a little cooler out. I just been enjoying this for now, because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. If I needed, I still have the seats, if I needed to put it back or not. So for now, my storage compartments have been comprised of these bins here like that. I got this, which has multiple storage things right here. I got another storage compartment up here. I got this this light right here. It's a little string light. It goes off of USB, and I got my power bank that will run that. And then this light here, this will charge on USB. This one right here. Storage compartments right here. I'm gonna take this down. I want to take this one inside just because it gets so hot in here. I want to make sure that none of this is gonna fry or, you know, melt anything. So got my fishing pole over there. I haven't really done fishing. Got my tackle. Do plan on doing some more of that stuff later. So this is really I like these windows right here. I got, like I said, I got 3 of them like that. They're awesome to have. I am thinking about getting like a little portable AC unit. You know, the kind that you just have to dump out the water. But we'll see about that too. Let's see, like I said, I want to bring this inside. Let me pop that right here. So yeah, that's just the, got the speakers up here. Is not the best. And that's really what we got the inside of the van. Like I said, this cot is actually super comfortable. I also like how it comes with these all these compartments right here, and with, let me put this in there like that, with all this tied up right here, it isn't going anywhere. Here's a screen tent. It's an instant one. Got my sleeping bag and some of the curtains that go on right here. But we'll go back to the outside. So a couple things. See, we got like this right here, you know, that's kind of coming apart right there. I did create, or not create, I bought a little wasp right there. This so you can get shore power. My dad helped me put this in. This way you could just plug in when you're at a campsite that has power. And then now I got a, if you didn't see it, I got extension cord in there that you could plug up to 3 things. So this is the gas cap area. We'll check out the hood real quick. All right, so let's take a look at this. So this is basically what we got. I mean, it's nothing special. Also, I did have the what do you call it, the belt replaced on this too. If you watch one of my other videos, you see it started coming apart on me. I do like this the windshield fluid compartment's easy to get to and slide off. I did have to replace this little motor here for the windshield wipers. This is the old coolant area. Like I said, it's pretty basic. This is the AC thing. I guess one part goes to the back and one goes to the front, and we're missing a whole section right here. I'd have to probably see, it's zip tied here and here. I would probably have to take it somewhere to like a air condition, you know, that deals with vehicle air conditions, in order to get it fixed. But I don't know if I will or not, just because this truck's already running like it's already you know, I feel like I'm already putting on a bunch of stress just because how old it is, just to have the AC going. Like I said, with me with the wing windows, it's been okay. So anyways, that's just a short recap. If anyone didn't see my little review on this, and this is it. It runs pretty good. Never had a problem with it yet in terms of it not starting or anything like that, or breaking down on me. Just had to replace the bearings and a few small things. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a fox over there. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and we hope to see you guys on the next video.